April 18th is a day marked by resistance, disaster, innovation, and global reckoning. 1775, Paul Revere warns colonists of advancing British troops in Massachusetts. 1906, a 7.9 earthquake strikes San Francisco, killing over 3,000 people. 1942, U.S. bombers attack Tokyo in the Doolittle Raid during World War II. 1949, Ireland officially declares itself an independent republic. 1955, physicist Albert Einstein dies in Princeton at age 76. 1983, a car bomb hits the U.S. Embassy in Beirut, killing 63 people. 2019, the Mueller Report on Russian interference is released publicly. From explosions to enlightenment, April 18th reveals how one day can alter the world's past.